Hi, this is Dipesh Parmar. I'm just going to give you a quick mini tip for your composite veneers. The most important layer is obviously the final enamel layer. And what I've found is long term is if you don't manipulate that material properly, you may start to see voids, bubbles, folds, lines, and potentially cracks in the future. So what I do is when I'm ready to place the final veneering enamel is I use a composite from a syringe as opposed to a compule. And the reason being is when you inject composite from a compule, it comes out as a roll, and then you have to kind of roll that material up into your fingers. And what that does is quite often it incorporates air bubbles and folds within that resin. Whereas when you cleave off the material from a syringe, you're less likely to get that. And then I gently roll the material in between my fingers. I then place that on the mid-facial aspect, and then I'll start sculpting from there. And what you'll find is that your final layer will be free from voids, folds, and any other incorporations. And that will certainly improve the final outcome of your restorations.